Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher with the lecture of Oxford Progressive English and English Grammar. So open your books of Oxford English at page 251. Opinion article. Basically, an opinion article is an article in which the writer or the author gives his opinion or suggests anything for a problem that the whole humanity is going to be facing. And the name of this lesson is that some things are better left on Mars. First of all, read the summary of this chapter. Unit number 9, other words. Chapter number 5, opinion article. Some things are better left on Mars. Summary. This chapter tells us about the different things about Mars. The writer Olivia Judson says that Martians are dangerous for the people of Earth. All the human defenses prove impotent. Impotent mean the things that have lack of power. But Martians become sick and die when humblest living creature attacked on them. Mars has dead and barren places and the atmosphere is thin. It can be said that Martians are dangerous if a less careful agency tries to bring rock back to Earth, then the disaster would be on greater level. Our chances of recognizing Martians, whatever they are, will surely be greater when we know more about their lives. Let's read the words meaning of this chapter. Impotent, nakara, lacking power. Neat, umda, fine. Harbor, मलकियत रखना, keep in one's possession. Briny, नमकीन, salty. Thrive, नशोनुमा पाना, flourish. Core, जौहरी रिएक्टर का मरकज़ी हिस्सा, center of nuclear reactor. Stunt, करतब, unusual feat. Nonchalant, बेनियाज, unconcerned, troublesome, परेशान कुन, causing worry. Scum, गंदगी. Draw, behest, हुक्म, order. Exhaustive, silly, detailed. Reading to understand an argument. Number 1. In what way does the writer see that the situation which H.G. Wells imagined could be reversed today? Answer. The writer thinks that we might be harmed by Martian organisms. Question number 2. Which aspects of Mars suggest that life could not have existed there? Its environment is very dry and cold. It is always being bombarded by radiations. Question number 3. Explain how the writer supports her point that life on Mars could persist to this day. The writer thinks that beneath the ice there might be lakes. The writer thinks that beneath the ice there might be lakes. Question number 4. Explain the writer's strongest reason for believing that Mars could be home to something. How does the writer illustrate this point? The writer gives the examples of bacteria which even can survive in radiation of nuclear reactor. And the question number 5 is, the writer believes that we should be cautious about bringing Martian rock back to Earth. Which example does she give of dangerous viruses? What point is she illustrating in giving these examples? Answer. She gives the example of HIV that crossed to human from chimpanzees and the examples of pox and measles brought by Spanish. This is the lecture of English grammar. So open your notebooks and start to write this essay. My hobby. Basically, when we talk about the hobby, we can say that hobby is an activity that we do for relaxation. For example, as a hobby is an activity pursued for pleasure, but not as a main occupation. A hobby should come to you naturally, otherwise the main purpose of a hobby would be lost. It can be said that when we talk about hobbies, there are multiple and a lot of hobbies that people adopt according to their interest. But in this essay, we are going to discuss the hobby that is book reading. When we talk about book reading, there are lots of advantages of book reading. For example, books are a source of wisdom and pleasure because they teach us how to face and overcome difficulties. They advise us to be sober and confident both in stress and happiness. And the second thing that is more important about the selection of book. When we select a book, we must be more conscious and careful. Otherwise, if we choose a book that have bad content, that it can cause it can spoil our soul. That is why we should be more confident and very careful about the selection of the book. Let's read. We should read only such books that illuminate our minds and purify our souls. I have many books on different topics: religion, politics, English literature, and so on. I have bought all these books by my pocket money that my parents give me every month. Whenever I feel upset, I read different books and feel fresh and fit again. And this is the work of English grammar. So you need to write this essay on your notebooks of English grammar and learn it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.